Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today, we're diving into the world of Hebrew verb conjugation, focusing on the verb ledaber, which means to speak. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to confidently use this verb in the present, past, and future tenses. So, without further ado, let's begin. The Hebrew word for the verb to speak is ledaber. Ledaber. To say I speak or I'm speaking as a male, say אני מדבר. אני מדבר. To say I speak or I'm speaking as a female, say אני מדברת. אני מדברת. To say I spoke as either a male or a female, say אני דיברתי. אני דיברתי. To say I will speak as either a male or a female, say אני אדבר. אני אדבר. To say you speak or you're speaking when referring to singular male, say אתה מדבר. אתה מדבר. To say you spoke when referring to singular male, say אתה דיברת. אתה דיברת. To say you will speak when referring to singular male, say אתה תדבר. אתה תדבר. To say you speak or you are speaking when referring to singular female, say את מדברת. את מדברת. To say you spoke when referring to singular female, say את דיברת. את דיברת. To say you will speak when referring to singular female, say את תדברי. את תדברי. To say he speaks or he is speaking, say הוא מדבר. הוא מדבר. To say he spoke, say הוא דיבר. הוא דיבר. To say he will speak, say הוא ידבר. הוא ידבר. To say she speaks or she is speaking, say היא מדברת. היא מדברת. To say she spoke, say היא דיברה. היא דיברה. To say she will speak, say היא תדבר. היא תדבר. To say we speak or we are speaking as males, say אנחנו מדברים. אנחנו מדברים. To say we speak or we are speaking as females, say אנחנו מדברות. אנחנו מדברות. To say we spoke as either males or females, say אנחנו דיברנו. אנחנו דיברנו. To say we will speak as either males or females, say אנחנו נדבר. אנחנו נדבר. To say you speak or you are speaking when referring to plural males, say אתם מדברים. אתם מדברים. To say you spoke when referring to plural males, say אתם דיברתם. אתם דיברתם. To say you will speak when referring to plural males, say אתם תדברו. אתם תדברו. To say you speak or you're speaking when referring to plural females, say אתן מדברות. אתן מדברות. To say you spoke when referring to plural females, say אתן דיברתן. אתן דיברתן. To say you will speak when referring to plural females, say אתן תדברו. אתן תדברו. There is another form which is אתן תדברנה, but we don't really use it nowadays. To say they speak or they are speaking when referring to males, say הם מדברים. הם מדברים. To say they spoke when referring to males, say הם דיברו. הם דיברו. To say they will speak when referring to males, say הם ידברו. הם ידברו. To say they speak or they are speaking when referring to females, say הן מדברות. הן מדברות. To say they spoke when referring to females, say הן דיברו. הן דיברו. To say they will speak when referring to females, say הן ידברו. הן ידברו. Here as well, we have another form which is הן תדברנה, but we don't really use it nowadays. For your convenience, the next 2 slides will summarize all the verbs. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות. Goodbye.